Can't wait to see the end result.
So I'm just throwing a finish on it, but I just love the way these things come alive the minute you put the lacquer on it. So check this out.
It was all through my master's degree in the University of T&E, as I call it. And that's the University of Trial and Error.
Unbelievable. He's 81 years old and he's out here doing this kind of gorgeous work. So I want to just shake your hand, sir.
Thank you.
Say thank
I learned
you.
a lot.
I'm telling you, man, this is heartwarming to see a father-son combination come in here and work.
We're real happy to be here. We're having a lot of fun.
That's what I love, so now I'm getting to share that with him.
You did good on this. I mean, this is beautiful. This charcoal finish and the walnut, beautiful.
It's been an absolutely fantastic experience, and I can guarantee you I never would have been able to build this piece.
This is what we've made for you, Alexis.
Oh my God.
What do you think?
It's phenomenal.
The students were able to create is just amazing. It blew me away. I've been doing furniture for over 25 years. I've literally seen millions of pieces. I've built thousands of pieces. Watch these guys build something that they've never done before and I've never seen before.
You cannot buy a piece of furniture this good.
Well done.
You can sure as hell make it.
What an experience.